So I'm in the website for Landrover for the 2024 Defender. Let's take a look at some different specs. There's this Pangea Green, which is an option for $950. $950 seems to be the lowest price. So like they give you Fiji White here for free. And this is the first line of paid options. So we have Pangea Green, Gondwana Stone. Ooh, I like that. By the way, who's coming up with these names? Iger Gray. That's a little bit dull if you ask me. What do you guys think of that? Santorini Black. Hakuba Silver. That is a lot better. That reminds me of the silver for my Volkswagen. Sedona Red. Interesting. Carpathian Gray. I assume like the Carpathian Mountains. Silicone Silver. Never really into the dark charcoal grays. So those are the colors that you can get. So either $950 or again, for free, Fuji White. Which color would you pick?